Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create 3D toy images like this using Google nano-banana AI for free. So further ado, let's get started. First, open up your browser and search here for nano-banana AI. Click on the official link and you will see a clean homepage with a big button says try it now. So click on the try nano-banana app, and in here it will ask you to write command prompt. Now delete this and paste this command on this browser, and now click on the plus icon and click on the upload image and select an image and click on open. Then click on the run control prompt. Don't worry, I will drop this command prompt on my description. Wait for some second, and as you can see the process has been complete. Now click on the download button and it will download. Now navigate this from here and open it, and as you can see we have successfully generated 3D toy images using nano-banana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.